channel. Today we will unlock the secret of Python's most essential 20 function in 3 minutes. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced coder, this function will become your trusty tools to tackle various programming challenges in Python. Let's start. So the first function is to declare a variable called name, and I print it. So in this example, I will print hello John. In the second example, you have to enter your name and then it printed. So anything you entered in the box, it will be displayed in the print. Now we have declared num equals 0. If I play, so the result will be 0. If I set num equal -1, it will be negative. Next, we will have the for loop and the while. So in the for, it print for I to range 5, print 1 to 5, and same apply for the while, count equals 0, and it increase count plus 1. So it also print the same. Next example, we have print, so banana, so fruit 1 equal banana, fruit 0 equal apple in the array. Next, we have to function to add two numbers, so I sent 5 plus 3, so it's 8. And the next one, I have to write in a data.txt file, and then I read it and print it. It's hello world, data.txt. Second, I have to try an exception. So if I set 0 divided by 0, it returns invalid input. Next, I have to declare a class person and pass 2 parameters for it. So I print John 25, person1.name and person1.age. It's an instance from the class. Also, it applies for inheritance from 2 classes, dog and animals, the parent and the child. In the example, we have math.square. So it returns the square of a number. Here we have a multiply function where to be multiply 5 times 3 in 2 parameters. In the next example, we have apple in fruits, so it search apple text in the array. The next is to print the factorial for a number. Then we have to request a Json link and print the data from a web request link. And second is about slice numbers from 2 to 7, and it returns from 3 to 7. The next example is to pass my name is format, name and age. Now we have the len, max and min, length, maximum and minimum number in array. And the last one, we have a CSV file to write on it. And then we have to import JSON and load the JSON and then print it.